So good afternoon everybody, it's from Jayshree from SNS College of Technology, Department of Biomedical Engineering. I am going to take mitosis topic. Okay, let us see what do you mean by mitosis. See, mitosis is very important for plant cell and animal cell. Okay, these are the cell division of mitosis. The left mode is what mitosis diploid cells, and right mode is what meiosis zygote cells. Okay, this diploid cell is what this forms this chromatin. This chromatin forms the chromosomes, and then this chromosome divide this stage into two daughter cells, and finally it become diploid cells. Okay, so let us see in detail. Mitosis, division of somatic cells in eukaryotic organisms. A single cell divides into two identical daughter cells. Daughter cells have same number of chromosomes as does the parent cell. Okay. So let us see the four phases of mitosis. Number one is what? Prophase. Number two is what? Metaphase. Number 3 is what? Anaphase. Number 4 is what? Telophase. Okay. So let us see each stage by stage. Okay. First one is the prophase. It is what the small large cell inside this nucleus is present. Inside this what? Chromatin is present. This chromatin forms the chromosomes in the next stage. Okay. And also the spindle fiber is formed in the prophase stage, which is very important first stage of the mitosis. And the spindle fiber forms this and find the chromosome, and spindle fiber is formed in the prophase stage. Next one is what? Metaphase stage. Chromosomes align along the equator of the cell with one chromatid facing each pole. That is what? Centroles, chromosomes and spindle fiber. If the chromosome is attached to the spindle fiber is attached to the chromosome, it is what? Continuous spindle fiber. If the chromosome is not, the spindle fiber is not attached to the chromosome, it is what? Discontinuous spindle fiber. Okay. Next one is what? Anaphase. So here, this anaphase separate the daughter cells from the spindle fiber and the chromosomes. Okay, spindle fiber attached to the kinetosome shortens and pull chromatid towards poles. Okay, free spindle fibers lengthen and push the poles of the cell apart. Okay, this is what? Anaphase. Next, telophase. Telophase is nothing but spindle fibers disintegrate. Okay. It is reverse of the prophase. In prophase, the spindle fiber is formed, whereas in spindle fiber it is disintegrate. Nuclear envelopes form around both groups of chromosomes. Chromosomes revert to their extended state. Next one, zygotes occur, enclosing each daughter nucleus into the separate cell. Okay, this is what? Telophase. This zygotes. Plant versus animal cell. Plant undergoes zygotes by forming a cell plate between a two daughter nuclei, whereas animal cells undergo zygotes through the formation of a cleavage furrow, a ring of microtubulous contact pinching the cell in half. This is what? Zygotes. So out of this four stage, prophase is the first stage, and metaphase is the second stage, anaphase is the third stage, and telophase is the fourth stage, and finally zygotes is the final stage where the mitosis single cell divided into two daughter cells which is of same nucleus. So for example, if the daughter cells if the parent cell contains the 10 nucleus, the daughter cells also contain the 10 nucleus. This duplication is done in the synthesis part in the eukaryotic cell type. So thank you all. Have a great day.